Alright, so hey guys, welcome to our next video. On this channel we talk about everything related to trading and investing. And guys, before I get into the video, all I'm gonna ask you guys to do is just subscribe to the channel, like, share, and just comment what you guys want to see videos of. And yeah, so on this channel, as I said, we talk about trading and investing. And in this video I'm going to be talking about the tools that I would use if I just started trading. And even if I was a experienced trader, I would still use these tools because they're very important when it comes to like growing your account and stuff like that. So let's get into the video. So the first tool that you guys will need, and the links are going to be down in the description for each one of these things that you need, is going to be TradingView, right? So what is TradingView? Alright, so if you don't know what TradingView is a tool that most traders use to analyze the markets, find setups that they want to take, and basically execute their ideas that they may have. Right? So how does this work? Right? So basically, let's start over from the top. TradingView. Let's go to tradingview.com, right? And then let's type in a pair that we might want to trade right now. So let's say we want to trade odd USD, so Australian US dollar. So after we find a pair that we want to trade, we would just go on full featured chart, and then basically from there we'll just see this chart right here in front of us, right? So basically this is what I would need to be able to trade the markets, right? I use this to mark up all my charts and find setups, right, that I want to take, right? So basically you could switch through many different pairs right here on the side, but let's just focus on this one for now. Alright, so this is the first tool, and if you guys want to sign up for TradingView, there's actually there's going to be a link down in the description for that. And actually, if you guys want to like upgrade to the bigger plans, you have a plan here for $14.95, $29.95, and $59.95. So you have the Pro Plus, and the Premium, right? And obviously these upgrades have way more features than the regular TradingView. With these you could add more indicators, have more charts open, so if you're in multiple different positions you could actually basically use multiple different charts to view where your positions are at, right? So yeah, that's basically TradingView, guys. So yeah, the next tool that I would use, I remember guys, the links are down in the description for each one of these tools. Alright, so you don't have to go search for anything, everything is in the description. But the next tool that I use is called Nash Markets. So what is Nash Markets? Basically you go to this website called app.nashmarkets.com. The link is going to be down in the description for that as well. And basically what I use this tool to do is to calculate all of my positions, right? So how does this work? Let me just give you guys an example of how this whole thing works. So let's say our account balance is $10,000 and our leverage is 300, and we want to risk 1% of our account, and we're gonna trade forex. Let's draw for the same exact pair right here, odd USD. So we're gonna go to instrument forex. The asset class is forex, and the instrument is odd USD, right? And let's say we're going to go into a long position. Let's say we're going to go into a long position here, to the top, right? Let's say we're gonna come out right here, so that'd be a take profit, right? And let's say this would be our stop loss right here, right? So let's say this would be our stop loss and this is our take profit, right? So first thing we'd have to do is just grab our levels. So find out the stop loss level. So as you can see, 0.77551, that's the level right there. 0.77, let's go back, 77551, right? So and then we'll find out our take profit level. So it's 0.80012, right? And then from there we have to pick the direction that we want this trade to go. So we press along, and then we press calculate position size. So from here it tells us the position size that we need to enter into MT4 to take this position, right? What does that mean? That will be our lot size for this trade. So as you can see here, it tells you the risk reward ratio, the notional value, and it tells you the leverage used, the margin used, and it gives you a comment on how they think this trade is going. So it tells you it's an incredible risk to reward, which is good. And then they tell you how much you're willing to lose here. So you're going to potentially lose $100, which is 1% of that account if it's $10,000. And the TP is going to give you potentially $233 if it hits your take profit level. So this tool is very important when it comes to trading. It allows you to basically mark out all of your it allows you to mark out your trades, see how much you're willing to lose, so you never ever lose how much more than how much you're supposed to lose. And it also tells you how much you're about to gain at the same time. So you know, when you go into a trade, you have the potential of gaining X amount for joining this trade. So you have an idea of how much you gain by just staying in the trade till it ends, right? So that's basically that tool. And the next tool you'll need is a broker, right? And as I said, and the link will be down below for Nash Markets as well, guys. So click the link below for that, right? Next thing you will need is a broker, right? A broker is someone who you deposit your money into. I have a video explaining the broker that I use, and I have a link there as well. But I have a link for this in this video as well. So basically, the broker that I use is Hanko Trade. The reason why I use Hanko Trade is because they have good spreads, and also as you can see, they give you a bonus on your account. Once you have $100 or more, they actually match anything you put into your account from $100 up, right? So you guys should actually take advantage of that option that they have right now, right? As you can see, you could use up to a 500 times leverage. So if you want to sign up for Hanko Trade, the link is going to be below for that as well. So yeah, if you guys want more videos like these, please just like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll continuously add more videos like these for you guys. And yeah, so look out for more videos like these. And as I said, all the links for these are below. And if you want a chance to win a mentorship from me, just comment the word mentor below, and I would actually mentor you one-on-one for free. That's one person for each video. So yeah, look out for more videos like these, and I'll keep them coming.